Uninstalling apps on Macbook is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open Finder from the dock or by clicking on the desktop. In the Finder window, navigate to the Applications folder. You can do this by clicking on Go in the top menu bar and selecting Applications. Find the app you want to uninstall in the Applications folder. Drag the app's icon to the trash icon located in the dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the app's icon and select Move to Trash. Once the app is in the trash, right-click on the trash icon in the dock and select Empty Trash to permanently delete the app from your MacBook. Now, if you want to uninstall apps on Launchpad, then simply click on the Launchpad icon in the dock. The Launchpad will display all your installed applications. Find the app you want to uninstall. Click and hold on the app's icon until all the apps start shaking, and an X appears in the corner of the app's icon. Now, click on the X on the app's icon to uninstall it. You may be prompted to confirm the deletion. Alternatively, you can click on the app's icon and then press the delete key on your keyboard to uninstall it. To uninstall apps on the App Store, simply open the App Store app on your MacBook. Now, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the App Store window. Click on Purchase to view a list of all the apps you've downloaded. Find the app you want to uninstall and click on the Uninstall button next to it to uninstall it.